Good morning, students, parents, teachers, and educators. I'm Rebecca, and I would like to take some time to share with you a little bit more about this book, Mathematics Buddy for Secondary 1 G1 students. I've specially written this book for students who are from the Foundation Mathematics stream in Primary 5 and 6 who have no prior understanding or knowledge on algebra. So what does this book do to help you in G1 Secondary 1? Well, this book has been designed such that it only covers one topic out of the entire Secondary 1 maths syllabus. Now, in this one topic, of algebra, which is supposedly the most abstract topic of all, I have broken it down into 5 chapters. So this is the content page, and in this one big topic broken down into 5 subtopics, each one of them is starting with some notes, and I would like to show it to you. So the notes come in a form that is easily understandable, using very simple English to explain so that there is no ambiguity. So students can actually use this as something that is concise, clear, yet easy to remember when it comes to applying it. And apart from that, I do have book examples as well, that is dedicated to each teaching outcome, each learning outcome. As you can see, with each question, it doesn't just come with the solution, but there is always this portion that says, let's think. Now, this is the metacognition, or rather the thinking about your thinking behind the steps in order to come up with the solution. This is important because maths is not a subject that requires us to memorize facts after facts without understanding. But in every step that we do, there must be a reason for it, and there must be an understanding. So this component of let's think really helps you understand why. This answers your why. So that when you are asked why, there is an answer to be given. And the answer will not be because so and so says, because this particular book says so, but it is because I know, and then the reason. So this book gives the conviction of every step to the solution. Now, apart from that, this book also equips us with exercises. So we have numerous exercises that come with each topic, and every exercise there are 10 questions. Space is given for you to attempt the questions, and for each exercise, the questions are written in the same form. Same form means that a particular learning outcome is tested for each exercise, and that one learning outcome only. So if you take a look at this particular exercise, exercise 1, they talk about writing an algebraic expression for each of the following statements. Question 1, multiply the sum of 6a and 2b by 3. Question 2, subtract 4x from the product of 3 and 5x. These questions are similar to each other in terms of the learning outcome. And how do we do that? Well, if anyone who attempts it is lost, you can always come back to the work examples. They are very similarly crafted to each exercise. Exercise 2, subsequently, will also cover whatever that is similar but in greater challenge. So this gives room for doing something that is slightly more that can push you out of comfort zone and into a zone of improvement as well. And I would also like to share that in the middle of this book, after 3 topics, is a review. So these review questions are again crafted similarly to how it has been set in the various exercises. For students who are attempting this, you would find that, hey, if I had done it before and I know how to do it then, this is just about putting all those learning together into one handout. And I have to pick the relevant learning outcome that I had beforehand to apply it here. Subsequently, for chapters 4 and 5, when it's over and done, we have review for chapters 4 and 5. And again, the questions here are similarly set according to the exercises that are given. Lastly, I would like to also mention about the answer key. Well, answer key comes furnished with full solutions so that if it is not possible to have help, physical help next to you, like a teacher, a tutor, well, this book can be your guide. This book can lead you step by step to getting the answer and to also give clear explanations for each step. So hesitate no more, and if you find that really algebra is one area you would like to improve in, this is one book to consider. See you at the bookstore.